Unfortunately, there is no dedicated option in the camera settings that allows you to mute the camera sound or the shutter sound on this phone. However, we can simply go to Settings and then choose Sounds and Vibration, and then you can go to Volume and you can disable System Sounds. So if you have volume off system, you can move it to the left on the slider to completely disable, to completely mute system sounds, and system sounds include the shutter sound as well. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.